During the first week in November of 1974, what appeared to be an alien spacesuit was photographed. This image will be shown and described in the following picture. The image you are looking at now is believed to be an alien probe or spacesuit that alien entities travel in. The image displays several characteristics such as a helmet, 2 fingers, a forearm in a vertical position, and a suit-helmet interface. There is photographic evidence that shows a suit similar to this one separating at the suit-helmet interface and an alien entity leaving the suit and descending toward the ground. When this happened, the suit gradually disappeared. The image on the right is suspected to be an alien entity. This entity has been seen on several occasions occupying a suit like this one. The suit you are looking at now appears different than the previous suit, but it seems to serve the same purpose. This suit was photographed 8 seconds after the previous one. It appears to have 2 arms held forward, a body, and a head area. The picture doesn't have the clarity like the previous one, but what is clear is that the entity seems to be occupying this suit. The next photograph will better describe the appearance of the entity. The entity on the left appears to have a head, what could be a short body, and what appears to be a tail. The head area has been enlarged so you can better study the appearance. The picture in the center is an enlargement of the head area. The picture on the right was taken 1 week before the previous picture. This one was photographed not in the suit, but next to the suit. Notice the similarities between the two. The one in the center of the picture appears to be looking straight on. The one on the right is looking to your left. They appear to be very similar. The next photograph will show a composite of different entities. The photograph in the upper left corner of the picture shows an alien spacesuit in close proximity to an alien entity. The photograph below this is an enlargement of the previous photograph. The picture near the center was taken at a different time, and it shows once again the close proximity between the spacesuit and an entity. The photograph on the right side of the picture was previously shown and is assumed to be the same thing. All of these are similar in appearance. What will be shown next will demonstrate that the aliens not only travel in protective suits, but in transporter beams also. The next video clip will show an alien entity that was filmed 3 years later that appears to be coming from an energy beam that was scanning the viewing area from side to side. This entity looks identical to the previous one that came out of the alien spacesuit. Compare these side by side and come to your own conclusion. The camera is scanning the yard area. The film clip will be slowed down as the alien appears to exit from the right side of the beam. This will give you the opportunity to study the 2 different images side by side. The image that appears on the left is coming from the energy beam. The photograph on the right is the one that shows the alien inside of the spacesuit. These pictures were taken approximately 3 years apart. The pictures of spacesuits and alien entities you have seen were extracted from actual Super 8 surveillance film. Any conclusions or opinions that were expressed were strictly speculation on my part, arrived at by studying the many rolls of film that contain the images. Images on the film are shown and described in the book The Alien Connection, reviewed through Google Book Search, purchased online through Amazon.com, also available through Barnes & Noble, Books A Million, Target, and other major bookstores.